Welcome to a never-seen-before hunt for India's most dapper, desirable and the daredevil man at this debut edition of Provoke Men's XP Mr. India World 2014 in association with SRM University. इस टाइटल को तलाश है उस मिस्टर इंडिया की who's a powerhouse of talent, has a rock-solid willpower, an iron body and a heart of gold. And to showcase their talent, आए इंडिया के कोने-कोने से handsome hunks to prove that they have it all to carry the coveted Provoke Men's XP Mr. India World title on their strapping shoulders. Well, ऐसी opportunity देकर contestants हो या experts, everyone's buzzing with excitement. एक्साइटमेंट के साथ साथ नर्वसनेस भी है क्योंकि द मोमेंट ऑफ ट्रूथ इज राइट हियर. सो गाइस, गियर अप टू फेस द जजेस एंड मेक दैट विनिंग फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन एट द स्विमवेयर राउंड. तो चलिए थोड़ा करीब से जाने पार्टिसिपेंट्स को एंड सी इफ दे आर ऑल सेट टू फ्लैश देयर लुक्स, abs and that oof so well maintained physique.
So we are looking for the man who is going to take India forward to the Mr. World title. We're not just looking for a Mr. India, we are looking for Mr. World 2014. And here's wishing all the gorgeous men taking part the very best of luck.
My name is Ankit Mishra.
Atul Tripathi.
Zabjeet Singh.
I'm 26 years old.
I'm 5 feet 8 inches tall.
I belong from Surat. My height is 6 feet, and why I'm here? Because I don't have moral courage to refuse fame.
I've joined this competition to win and want to see represent India overseas.
First round was, of course, the boys had to be in their swimming trunks ताकि हम उनकी बॉडी देख सके, बॉडी जज कर सके क्योंकि इंटरनेशनल पैजेंट जाने के लिए बॉडी अच्छी बॉडी होना बहुत ज़रूरी है क्योंकि इन लड़कों में से जो जीतेगा वो मिस्टर वर्ल्ड जाएगा, which is an international platform.
Positively सोचे तो of course I have chances and let's see what happens.
I just want to thank Times Group and Prasad Bidapa for giving me this opportunity.
I'm very much excited. I definitely think I'll go to the next round.
Well, participants काफी तैयारी से आए हैं, so it's not going to be an easy ride for the judges either. फिलहाल our aspiring young men hit the ramp one more time in groups and offer a final glimpse of their matches more.
So here we are at Mr. India, 69 prime examples of manhood. And who's going to make it? We're going to have one last look at them. We are lining them up. So take a look and make your pick. Mr. India 2014.
The round was pretty nice. I mean, like, it was just for the judges to get acquainted with us.
So we all lined up, we all posed in front of the guests, introduced ourselves, and now we are just waiting for the results.
स्विमवेयर राउंड में एक तरफ कंटेस्टेंट्स ने स्ट्राइक किए कुछ विनिंग पोजेस, वहीं जजेस ने लिए कुछ लाइफ चेंजिंग डिसीजंस टू सिलेक्ट द बेस्ट ऑफ द बेस्ट. फॉर नाउ टेंशन भरा माहौल है, सो विदाउट फर्दर मच टू डू, लेट्स हियर हु हैज मेड इट टू द नेक्स्ट राउंड.
So 28 step forward, 31 step forward. 19, 20 and 21 please step forward. 43 step forward, 45 step forward, 50 step forward. 39, 40, 41 please step forward. The others, we're really sorry. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, gentlemen. Congratulations. Give it up there.
इन कंटेस्टेंट्स को मिलेगा एक सुनहरा मौका अपने टैलेंट से हमारे जजेस के दिलों को जीतने का. सो ऑन योर मार्क गाइस. ये तो बस शुरुआत है. These hot and happening contestants go through some intense grilling on the other side of the break before you get to see the phenomenal top 14. Stay tuned. Welcome back. आपने देखा only a select few qualified to the next level. और इनमें से बस top 14 होंगे जो दूर तक भागेंगे in this race to be India's face to the Mr. World 2014 title. But our judges seem to have a foolproof plan to grill and get them going.
It's round 2 at Mr. India 2014. Rochelle, shall we give them 30 seconds to stake their claim to fame? 30 seconds to show off their talent.
भाई क्या तुम इन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट पे साइन करोगे भाई?
खुलवा दी ना मेरी पोल, पिटवा दिया ना मुझे।
That was incredible. Participants दे रहे हैं एक दूसरे को कड़ी टक्कर. Who said it was going to be any easy, guys? Judges के benchmarks भी लग रहे हैं sky high. Well, after all, India's face at the Mr. World pageant can't be anything less than extraordinary. These handsome participants tried their best to impress our difficult-to-please judges. With every round, the excitement is only soaring and so is nervousness. All we can say is may the best man win. It's over to the judges for now. तो चलिए देखते हैं वो कौन से participants हैं जिन्हें judges Q&A round में थोड़ा और grill करने वाले हैं.
43 Pratik, 45 Puneet, 49 Sadik, 50 Sagar, 51 Sahil.
20, I'm sorry, but I think you will have to step back. 19, 21 and 25, thank you very much. Sorry. Okay guys, I'm sorry. Can you just step to this side, please, all of you.
The guys who are eliminated, thank you so much. Please give them a round of applause.
And now it's time to separate men from the boys. In this quick and quirky Q&A round, देखते हैं who seizes this winning opportunity to reach the final milestone as our judges chit-chat and get to know the also mesmerizing men up close and personally.
If a girl turned to you and said on your first date you told her you're not a virgin and she said, oh, it's okay, how will you feel?
Little bad.
Do you prefer more love or love making?
Well, I'm drunk and I'm out of the pub. I like lovemaking, and when I'm on a date, of course I like.
Perfect.
Love.
Who's your favorite football player?
It's right now it's Eden Hazard.
Okay, so if he called you right now to play a match with him, or you had to choose between the pageant and him, what would you choose?
I'll go play with him.
You'd go play with him?
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. If your girlfriend asked you to ink her name on your body, would you be okay for that?
Ink her name on my body? No, I wouldn't. Maybe if my wife, yes, for sure. Girlfriend, okay. It's a risky business.
Woo, what a day! Contestants और judges अपना काम कर चुके हैं. The silence is about to be shattered. For the special 14, it will be a new beginning. And for the rest, sadly, a U-turn. And our top 14 are Abhijit Singh, Arjun Kapoor, Atul Kumar Tripathi, Bharat Raj, Gurfateh Singh Pirzada, Huzaifa Talib, Karan Kharas, Karthik S. Shivayanmath, Monik Gupta, Pankaj Mundra, Pratik Jain, Puneet Beniwal, Sahil Shah and Swapnil Kulkarni.
Congratulations, you are the final contestants of XP Mr. India 2014.
Judges काफी convinced लग रहे हैं after giving their thumbs up to the top 14. चलिए उन्हीं से सुनते हैं their views on India's most dashing and deserving men, literally handpicked by judges themselves.
14 boys we've chosen, we made sure that all of them had some previous experience, had some kind of, attitude in them that they could really exploit and put together their persona very, very quickly.
It was hard to choose because there were some really good contestants. But I think we did well and we've got our finalists.
Each and everyone, frankly, was so good that we were really having so much of tough time to, select even that person. Like we literally took almost 10 minutes on every person to say yes or no.
I'm really excited. We got some good guys. It was extremely difficult to shortlist them.
We have some amazing contestants and I would say we have rounded off to 14 and for me they're not 14 contestants, they're 14 winners. I just hope the best man wins.
We have 14 most promising, the most eligible and absolutely stunning men of India. Well, they are all brimming with the passion to represent India to the world stage. Expectations बढ़ रही है. But for now, you've made it to the top 14. So enjoy all the glamour and the glory. लेंसमैन केविन न्यून्स अपने एक्सेप्शनल टैलेंट एट स्टिल्स के साथ करेंगे कैप्चर कुछ सुपर हॉट अनविल लुक ऑफ अ चार्मिंग फाइनलिस्ट. ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज स्ट्राइक योर बेस्ट पोज टू हिज लेंस.
Light a smile, keep it real. We just had a great shoot with all the contestants. We did the unveiling shots and also a group shot which you guys will be seeing soon. It was a really good shoot. All the guys are looking fab, really confident. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy everything.
Well, जहां केविन की इस फोटोग्राफी का जादू मिल जाए with the most photogenic faces of India, वहां results can be nothing less than perfect. फिलहाल बारी है for our men in top form to master the winning walk. And to help our top 14 walk the walk to the Hall of Fame, I veteran fashion expert Prasad Badappa अपनी proven techniques के साथ.
Over here, I'm very lucky with the fact that 14 boys who have been given to me are very strong. Many of them come from within the industry. They've had about a year or two of experience, and that's going to help me a lot. So boy number 1 has come over here. When you've finished, how will you exit? I want a back step exit. So take a step back and turn into it. Have you got it? And number 11. All the introductions will be done over here. Please welcome Swapnil from Pune. He's 6'3" and and he goes to Gale Street. All of you look at that group and you'll turn and you'll go to this side of the stage. All of you all exit to that corner. But have you all got the principle of it? Yeah. So you're just moving. Your last position is spotlight into exit.
जैसा कि आपने देखा, प्रसाद से मिली कंटेस्टेंट्स को कुछ सुपर्ब टिप्स ऑन हाउ टू स्टील द शो विद स्टाइल, स्टैंड्स एंड दैट एटीट्यूड टू मैच. मिस्टर इंडिया टाइटल तक पहुंचने की रेस होती जा रही है टफ एंड टफर. So to make themselves tough enough, our top 14 head straight to the YFC gym. Do not miss out as they sweat it out and take each other head on. देखेंगे किस में कितना है दम, but on the other side of the break. Welcome back. It's an open secret that our top 14 are also stunning and sensual. पर Provoke Men's XP Mr. India World 2014 का विनर होगा इन क्वालिटी से कुछ और कदम आगे. An unbeatable blend of muscle power, mesmerizing looks and mental strength. कुछ देर में होने वाला है a मुकाबला of sorts between India's most handsome and talented gentlemen. For now, our special 14 pump it up at YFC and gather all their might and muscle in this power-packed segment.
I'm Kaizad Kapadia. I'm the co-founder and director of K11 Fitness Academy. Basically, I'm an educator in the fitness industry. The fitness round for the Mr. India XP is going to be held at YFC at Mumbai Central. A great venue, one of the best gyms that you can have in the city. So what you're going to see happen in the fitness round is going to be pretty hardcore. We're really going to put them to the test. And the fittest guys obviously will win this round.
Our top 14 are at YFC gym. It's a terrific ordeal ahead, but हमारे contestants की determination भी कुछ कम नहीं है. Let's see how these men on the Mr. India mission sail through.
Hi guys. Hello. I've been given the responsibility of being your fitness coach, and your contest basically is a pageant, but the pageant also has a particular fitness segment. Unfortunately for you all, we made that segment pretty difficult. Okay, hope you guys are up to the task. So there's a strength segment and there's an endurance segment. So I'll take you through them. It is a pageant, but let's make it something of substance. You guys are Mr. Indias, and a Mr. India is supposed to be extremely fit. Safety, of course, is of paramount importance. So within the parameters of safety, push yourself as much as possible.
कुछ कुछ कर दिखाने का जज्बा coupled up with just the right physical training is what's going to distinguish the best from the rest. Moment has come to push your boundaries, guys. And yaad hai na, like Arjun's focus on just the bird's eye, your aim is that most sought after Mr. India title. As you can see, our top 14 look all set to sweat it out at this intense, the king of all exercises squat lift session.
We're going to be doing 2 lifts for strength. The squat and the deadlift. Okay, I'll be showing you all the correct form. Try and mimic that form as far as possible. You'll be able to lift heavier. You'll get 3 attempts. 3 attempts. You can't reduce the weight. You can either keep the weight the same on the second attempt or increase the weight. The way you all are going to be scored on this is the total of the squat and the deadlift divided by your body weight will give us a factor. That particular factor, whoever's factor is the highest, is the winner. So we take into account not only absolute strength, that is the amount of weight that you lift, but compared to your body weight. So relative strength is also taken into account. And squat. Okay. Squat. That's right. Up. Good depth. Go all the way down. Still got depth. That's right. That's right. Correct.
Well, well, well. What a sight it is to see some phenomenally fit guys pump up like never before. Good going, guys. Par manzil abhi hai kuch aur kadam dur. For now, it is time to make not only a health but a style statement with some deadly deadlifts.
And stand. Clean. Down. Lock in, lock in, lock in, lock in, lock in. That's it. Down, 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 down. Okay, down. Okay.
All the sweat, blood and tears at the gym seems to be reaping rich dividends. Top 14 तेजी से बढ़ रहे हैं incredible physical and mental form की ओर. देखते हैं who will conquer the deadlift before it conquers them.
Lock in, lock in, lock in. Down. The lifts that we did, the squat and the deadlift, require some amount of technique training. What we saw here was brave attempts. They gave their all. At the same time, I was quite happy to see that they got caught up in the competitive spirit and they really were pushing hard. Pankaj, Pratik and Monik, these 3 boys stood out.
I was really happy to lift the maximum weight when it's considered about the weight squats. Overall, it was an amazing experience lifting so much weights.
On the deadlift, yes, I was very confident because I could do it. It was real great fun.
Now comes endurance. The circuit, as you may call it, involves 3 things: running, kettlebell swings, and push-ups. Because this entire circuit is going to be timed. And whoever comes first in the circuit, finishes it in the minimum possible time, is the winner. And go! 2 kilometers.
It's time to run full throttle, guys. Because this isn't any ordinary sprint. It's sprint to victory.
Lock the knees, lock the knees. You'll be better.
Next is 50 kettlebell swings. And our ravishing 14 look all set to rock and give these kettlebells a swing snatch and clean.
All the way down, not counted.
और अब वक्त है उस लास्ट एंड फाइनल स्ट्रोक ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ का विद द अल्टीमेट बैरोमीटर ऑफ फिटनेस, पुश-अप्स.
So it's been quite a hardcore day and you all have really given your 100% and more. Looks like all of you all are really hungry to win. Otherwise these performances don't come. 10 minutes and 46 seconds was the fastest.
Well, Mr. India ki Talash has reached to its epitome and the bar is only getting higher. Top 14 are putting their hearts and soul to prove that they are at the top of their game. Who wins ProWork Men's XP Mr. India World's 2014 title? You will get to know in another eclectic episode of ProWork Men's XP Mr. India World 2014 only on Zoom, India's #1 Bollywood channel. Stay tuned.